not so bad right now. There, it's right there, the heart. You got it?
Uh-huh.
Are you already recording?
Yeah.
Oh. It's fairly empty.
Did you get another nephew one?
No, this one's not so
Don't
full.
do that one on his neck, Vanessa. He has to get surgery. They have to cut that off.
He told me to do it.
Dude.
Plus, nothing's coming out, really.
Whatever. That thing is gonna explode.
Oh, wow. Much?
Yeah, some stuff coming out.
Grab it from the other end so you can get the rest of these parts.
What part?
There's a bunch of shit in here.
Well, why don't you squeeze it
Hey,
then?
hell no, I ain't touching that shit.
Stop cussing
Whoa.
so much.
You wearing your safety goggles?
Dude, for real, that thing, like,
There you go.
sprayed.
I think that's all that's gonna come out. I'm just not gonna mess with it anymore.